Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade honey mustard. This incredibly easy method ensures a perfect batch every time, using just a few basic ingredients you likely already have. We'll cover how to balance the flavors to your liking, ensuring it's just right for dipping, spreading, or dressing. Get ready to elevate your meals with this versatile and tasty condiment, made fresh in your own kitchen in minutes. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1/4 cup of good quality Dijon mustard, which provides that essential tangy kick. Next, measure out 2 tablespoons of honey. Feel free to adjust this amount later for more or less sweetness. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise to give your honey mustard a wonderfully creamy texture and help bind all the flavors together smoothly. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're enjoying this video and finding these tips useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. And on another note, staying hydrated is super important, especially when you're busy in the kitchen. I highly recommend the Owala water bottle. It's fantastic for keeping your drinks cold all day. You can find a link to it and other awesome deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Now for the fun part, mixing. In a small bowl, combine your Dijon mustard, honey, and mayonnaise. Whisk everything together thoroughly until the mixture is completely smooth and uniform. Give it a taste test. If you prefer it sweeter, add a bit more honey. For more tang, add a touch more mustard. Finish with a small pinch of salt and pepper to really make the flavors pop. Enjoy your perfect homemade honey mustard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.